Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ba polling do ula pentep ba ka sorkar kala Ithuh hadu hinyau teli ki district ki badan ha ka thop jong ka hotspot ni ki district ba jelai tam udrok. Uba pol ula ong ba kini ki district ba jelai bha ba jerba ka jing pyndonkam ya udrok ki kan thop ya ka East Khasi Hills district Ribhoi, West Khasi Hills, West Jainti Hills, East Jainti Hills, West Garo Hills, but South Garo Hills.
All rehab centers across the state have been and are being supported by the state government. On our own, however, in the first phase itself, we have identified 3 districts which will have these de-addiction centers to be run entirely by the Department of Social Welfare. 3 such districts will come under phase 1. But where the other centers are concerned, they all have the full backing of the state government. For instance, supported by Social Welfare Department through PPP mode. Breakthrough Center, Tarshi Jawai, supported by the Social Welfare Department. KJPA New Hope De-Addiction Center, supported by MOS JE, that is under IRCA. KGP New Hope De-Addiction Center for Females, supported by the Social Welfare Department. Free treatment is being provided in all these de-addiction centers. KGPA Syllad Center for Girls Nongstoin, supported by the Social Welfare Department. Free treatment is being provided. This is all fully supported by the Social Welfare.
Maybe question.
Kini kibang puli mentang kita kibang ai free treatment. Natrai pi ya confuse ya kini, but kini ki private institutions. Ki private institutions kilong kumkan New Life De-Addiction Center, katu kalong private. Wisdom Center, Dihar, ini kalong private. Theo Rehabilitation Center, ini kalong private. Sun Care, kalong private. Kini private centers. Hendai keba pi kedau men kabang ai ke list mentan Sun Clinic Center, mau diang New Shalong, Klit Tershi Jawai, mau diang Sakaway, lightly mau diang kidai kibayo full financial support na social welfare nang ta Jawai Patka Mongston. Today we had called for this meeting in order to understand the concerns of various departments and come to a point of convergence of all departments. What we are also doing is we are involving schools through student cadets, which we will be identifying in all schools. And the other aspect, the more important aspect which you pointed out, I will be meeting heads of religious institutions. There is a forum called All Faiths Forum. I am meeting them day after. East Khasi Hills District. Kishnong, Madan Derting, Jalupara, Lai Ukra, Nong Tamai, Polo, Nong Mensong, Maulai, Mauprem, Lomding Jiri, Yo Maulong, Maungam, Maurenkeneng, Penusla. West Jainti Hills, Ibuhun Bahadishnong, East Jainti Hills, West Khasi Hills, Ribhoi, West Garo Hills, but South Garo Hills. No. Hotspot districts. Baki nila identify room yaki shnong apo Jupiter district. 7 hotspot districts. So out of those, wherever the scene is grim and requires more attention, we will pay attention to that, to those districts.